Hi guys, welcome to Dermal's Tech. So today we are going to see the problem on Padovan sequence. So actually, initially they are given a number n and we need to find the nth number in the Padovan sequence. Okay, so what does the mean Padovan sequence mean? So Padovan sequence is a sequence which is represented by the following recurrence relations. So actually, if you take when n is equal to 3, then the particular sequence will be represented in terms of p of n minus 2 and with added with p of n minus 3. Okay. So if you take an example, n is equal to 6. In that case, when p of 6 is equal to p of 4 plus p of 3. So what does it mean is you need to subtract 2 from 6 and you need to subtract 3 from 6. So once you subtract it, you will get it as P of 4 and P of 3. And most importantly, in Padovan sequence, they have mentioned that P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2 are given as equal to 1. Okay, so we don't need to do anything in this part, but we need to find out the sequence for each and every number in which we will get it on. For example, I'll take this as our first example when n is equal to 6. Okay. So initially, I'm going to follow one particular approach that is called as recurrence. So we all know that how we will perform recursive iteration in a program. So if you try to approach this problem by using recursive function, sure I'll tell you you can't able to pass more than 10 test cases or 20 test cases. I'll tell you the reason why. Okay. So when you take n is equal to 6, the Padovan sequence will be, you will get it as 4. How? I'll tell you. So when p of 6 equal to, we'll get p of 4 added with p of 3. You need to find out the value of p of 4 too. When you find out the value of p of 4, you'll get p of 2 added with p of 1. So when you get the value of p of 3, you'll get the value, you need to add both p of 1 and p of 0. See, in this part, you need to check out how many iterations you are doing it on. See, I'll take, okay, let me draw. Okay, see, initially, if you see here, 6 will be splitted into 2, P of 4 and P of 3. We are going to return the added value of P of 4 and P of 3. Okay, when we P of 6 is going to iterate it on, first of all, move on P of 4. In P of 4, it will be further split into two parts, P of 2 and P of 1. Here, when you reach P of 2, directly we are going to return it as 1. So it will be move on to P of 4, and the same case in P of 1 will return it as 1. So it will be added to P of 4. So 1 plus 1, you will get it as 2, and that will be stored in P of 4. So same thing, if you see here in P of 3, you will be split into P of 1 and P of 0. And from P of 1 and P of 0, we are going to return 1. So it will be going stored in P of 3 and it will get the value of 2. So if you see here the number of iterations, here if you see number of iterations, it will be 6. Okay. 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here the time complexity is not going to exceed more than n times. So when n is equal to 6, there is no problem. So if you take n is equal to 10, in this case, you need to iterate it for more than n times. So surely in this case, you will get time limit exit error. So for this, we can't choose that recursive solution is the best solution to solve this problem. So instead of that, what we can able to do is that we can move on to the routine. So we are going to iterate it from the first. Okay, when n is equal to 3, you are going to find out P of 3 will be equal to P of 3 minus 1. So 3 of 3 minus 2, 1 plus P of 3 minus 3, you will get it as 0. And when you add P of 1 and P of 1, you will get it as 2. The same thing we are going to follow when P of 4 is equal to P of 4 minus 3, you will get it as 4 minus 2, will get it as 2 plus 4 minus 3 will get it as 1. So in this case, your value will be P of 2 will be 1 and P of 1 will be 1. See, so what I'm doing here is, so just like that, what the value have been stored previous is going to be used in the next iteration. The same thing will be processed till P of 10 we reach a song. Okay, I don't need to iterate it for 10 times. If I do that, it will take much more time. Okay, the same thing I'm going to do it for 10 times. So when you reach P of 10, the value you will get it as P of 8 plus P of 7. So in this case, surely the value of 8 and 7 will be stored between 4 and 9. So in that case, you can easily add it up and return your answer. So that's what the logic is working on. And most importantly, you need to check and you need to return the value in terms of modulo 10 to the power of 9 plus 7. You need to compute the answer with by using modulus number. So that's what they have been showed here. So, but if you see in this case, this is not a good one to solve this problem. So always try to think about in this manner to solve this problem. Surely you can able to uh, solve your problem with better time complexity. Okay, let me see in our part in our next session. Bye.